Select the ellipse tool. And select path. Create a circle. I align the circle in the center of my canvas. Select the horizontal type tool. And align the text in the center. Hover over the circle until the cursor turns into a wave icon. Then type your text. Select the entire text. And adjust the font size, so that half of the circle is filled with text. Press Ctrl+J to duplicate the text layer. Select the Direct Selection tool. Drag the text to the other side of the circle. Drag the text up, to place it inside of the circle. Click on the 3 dots to show all the character properties. Decrease the baseline shift to place the text outside of the circle. You can adjust the text in the circle now. Make the adjustments you want. I adjust the font size of both texts so the circle is filled. And that's how you flip text in a circle.